Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your background in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to start a new project. Right here, you're gonna find Open Project, New Team Project, and Open Team Project. So right now we're going to create a new project. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the media you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. And then as you can see guys, once you add your media, it will be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, if you want to add a background to your video, all you need to do guys is go right here and then go ahead and right click. Once you right click right here, you're gonna find import, and then as you can see guys right here, you can choose to import a file, multiple files from libraries, import Adobe Premium Pro projects, Pro imports After Effects, Vanishing Point, placeholder, and solid. Go ahead and click on file, or you can click on Control plus I if you want. And then once you do that, go ahead and choose your background. So I'm going to choose a picture, for example, to use it as a background. For example, this one. And then once you add it, if you want to add it to the timeline, all you need to do, guys, is hold, click on it, and then drag it right here. And then as you can see, guys, it's added to the timeline. Right now, you can't see it because the video is hiding it. But for example, if I put it in the top right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to see it. So basically, guys, if you want to make it the background, just go ahead and drag it to the back like this. And then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.